Hello, this is Liam Horrocks, and this is my critical approaches presentation. The topic will be sorry. The main focus of this whole presentation will be the hit reality British daytime TV show Jeremy Kyle. In a basic summary, the tabloid talk show talks about Jeremy Kyle playing a combination of presenter and referee amidst guests who thrash out their conflicts, dilemmas, and relationship issues in front of a studio audience. It can also be heavily related to the US tabloid show Jerry Springer. Ratings. The show has low ratings on websites such as IMDb, but the general public seem to love the controversial TV show as it is like reality entertainment. They find this entertaining because it is relatable to a majority of the UK public and they have some interesting stories. Here you see some of the ratings from IMDb users. You see the majority of them have gone for 1 star, but a lot of them have also gone for a 10 star. So it's very controversial. And there you see more ratings, 6.3 on TV.com and 4.1 out of 10 on IMDb. In overall, 6.3 out of 10 on another website which I found. Ratings. From my research, you can see that the majority of people rated Jeremy Kyle a 79 out of 10, but the show can be seen as controversial because some people gave the show a 1 because, in quotes, it is trash TV. So overall, the research that I've done relates to the research that IMDb have carried out. So as you see there, on the left, you see the ratings. You got 2 people voted 1, 2 people voted 4, 3 voted 7 and 8 each, and 1 voted 9. And underneath you see some responses. Demographic. The demographic for the Jeremy Kyle show is widely believed to be millennials who have time in the day to watch this show, and that is correct as the show is mostly popular with millennials and women according to YouGov. You see it's more popular with millennials with 36% and more popular with women among 27% of all those voters. The common age of people who submitted this survey that I've completed was between the ages of 16 to 18 and 19 to 24 years old, which means that millennials are a common target for this kind of show. So overall, if you look at the chart underneath the pie chart, then you can pick out the demographic for the show, which would be E. So you see the pie chart, 58.3% is 16 to 18, and 41.7% is 19 to 24. No one else has selected any other age, and the demographic would be E, as it is midday time TV show, and so not many people would have the time to watch it. Psychographic. Psychographics are analysis of consumer lifestyles to create a detailed customer profile. This tells us what the hobbies, interests, and lifestyles is of the people who consume products, brands, and TV shows, such as the Jeremy Kyle show. It can also tell us similar things that the consumer would enjoy, such as different TV shows and the products they might enjoy. So you see here is the difference between the demographic research, which is age, gender, sexual orientation, household income, and psychographic, which is opinions, religious beliefs, musical taste, personality traits, lifestyle choices. Comparing the research to this table, the Jeremy Kyle show would relate mostly to strugglers who seek escape, so typically a lower demographic. As you see right there, you got all these different ones, like mainstreamers, they seek security, succeeders, they seek control, explorers, they seek discovery, but strugglers, they seek escape. And so, as it says on there, alienated and disorganized, buys alcohol, junk food, lottery tickets, typically a lower demographic. So they want that sense of escapism in the form of entertainment from the show. And that is my presentation. Thank you for listening.